2006 Cub Cadet GT1554 with SV740S Kohler engine has no spark on either side. The problem first started by not starting when I turned on the ignition switch. I checked the resistance on the switch terminals and everything was good there. I checked continuity of wiring to solenoid. It checked out okay. I replaced solenoid since I had all that apart anyway. I have checked ignition modules for continuity and cleaned them and regapped. Cleaned magneto also. I took kill wires off modules and still didn't start. Thanks for any help.
Do you have fuel in the tank? If so, is the shut-off valve open and the fuel clean?
Yes, I have fuel. There is no shut-off valve. It was running fine the last time I used it.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Like what?
Hi, my name is Me. Review the issue, and I will be more than happy to help resolve it as quickly as possible. I will return in under 5 minutes. If you have removed the ground wires from the ignition coil and machine still do not start, the ignition coil needs to be replaced.
If you are talking about the ignition modules, I checked the 3 areas on the module that the manual gives for resistance in ohms and both modules checked out. I don't see how both modules would go at same time.
Okay, if you have 2 modules then you are correct, most likely not them, as this would lead to the stator being the issue, under the flywheel.
This model of engine has a stator. Are you sure that there couldn't be a short in one of the switches that prevents the mower from starting if not making a good connection or shorted out?
When you disconnect the kill wires from the coils, there is nothing to kill the coils, as you have them disconnected, so they should fire unless they are bad, or the stator under the flywheel is bad.
If the kill wire on the modules is disconnected, it should start even if there is a short in one of the safety switches. Any way to check stator without pulling off flywheel?
Yes, it should start, you just would not be able to kill the engine without those wires connected. No way to test the stator currently while machine is not running.
When I get to the stator, do I just check for continuity? Any way to check to see if it is good or bad?
No way to test without the machine running. There is nothing else that generates the spark though once those wires are disconnected besides the coils or stator.
You just replace the stator and hope for best.
Kind of yes, but by disconnecting the coil wires you know it is either the coils or stator. Both coils can be bad but is rare.
No one mentioned the stator on all those YouTube videos. What you say makes sense. I don't believe that both modules have gone bad at the same time. Thanks for the help. Not looking forward to getting the flywheel off. I'm still puzzled as to why the ignition switch doesn't turn the engine over even though all terminals have checked out all right for continuity. I have been jumping the starter by crossing the terminals on the solenoid. This was why I first started checking the whole starting issue in the first place. Any connection as to what is going on?
Normally this would be a solenoid issue, ignition switch issue, or safety switch issue.
Okay. Thanks again. Have a good day.
Let me know if you need anything else, as I am here for you. Please remember to rate me as I strive to do my best. Ratings help me to achieve this. 5-star rating is my goal and what I strive for.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.